We'll guide you through how to create an account on ChatGPT. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to chat.openai.com. Once you're on the homepage, look for the sign up button, which is typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be directed to the account creation page here. You need to enter your email address. Make sure it's an active email that you can access because you'll need to verify it later. After typing in your email, click on continue. Now you'll be prompted to create a password. Choose a strong password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to ensure your account is secure. Once you've entered a suitable password, hit continue again. At this point, OpenAI will send a verification email to the address you provided. Go to your email inbox, find the verification email from OpenAI, and click on the verification link inside. This will confirm your email address and activate your account. After verification, you'll be redirected back to the ChatGPT website. Now you can log in with your email and the password you just created. Once you're logged in, you might be prompted to complete your profile by adding some personal details like your name. While this step is optional, providing accurate information can help personalize your experience. That's it. You're all set to start using ChatGPT for your conversations or projects. Remember to keep your login details safe and sign out when using shared devices. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.